I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you found here apps, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list and here you're looking for Bluesky app, just click on search. At here Bluesky, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. You come to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. You go down here, click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. You search here for Bluesky app, is going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.